Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing a summery tropical card using some layered stencils and a little ink blending, so let's get started. I'm using the Layering Wave stencil, and first I taped the bottom layer onto a panel of Strathmore Bristol smooth cardstock. I use blending brushes to lightly apply Salvage Patina, Peacock Feathers, Uncharted Mariner, Blueprint Sketch, and Chip Sapphire Distress Oxide ink over the panel. I go back and forth between the colors until there's a smooth transition. Then I remove the first layer stencil and line up the top layer and tape it in place. I blend the same colors onto the panel but use a slightly heavier hand. Finally, I remove the stencil and use my blending brushes to blend the leftover ink onto the panel to soften the white parts. I don't add any more ink to my blending brush at this point. You don't need a lot of ink for this part, but it does make a difference in helping everything blend together nicely and softening the white. Once the panel was dry, I place it in my splatter box and add a drop of Shimmery Liquid Shimmer watercolor to an acrylic block with a few drops of water. I use a damp paintbrush to add big sparkly splatters across the panel. Then I add several drops of the shimmer watercolor to a spray bottle filled with water to create a fine spray. I spray that across the panel for a soft overall shimmer effect. Next, I die cut the flip-flop from the flip-flop builder using a coral cardstock and gold glitter cardstock. I use liquid glue to adhere them together. Then I stamp a sentiment from Seabreeze onto black cardstock, heat emboss it with gold embossing powder, and die cut it with the coordinating die. I adhere the flip-flops with liquid glue and then use foam mounting tape for the sentiment. Finally, I add a few Aurora Borealis gems to finish the card with a little extra sparkle. And that's it! You can find more information on the products I used in the YouTube description below or over on my blog. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe, make sure you click the bell so you're notified the next time I post. Here are a few more videos you might be interested in, and until next time, have a fantastic day and happy crafting. Bye!